Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natashea. If you are new here, my channel is about personal finance, personal growth, luxury, travel, and all things luxury. Now, today, like I promised, I'm gonna have an unboxing of my, as you can see from the title, Oculus Quest. So, yeah. That's what I'll be using going forward for working out. I will show a demo towards the end of this video. So, you know, wait and check out that. But basically, I don't want to waste any time. So we're going to get right into the unboxing. All right. So here is the box, which I'm realizing is now upside down. So basically, I'm going to unbox it. It comes with the headset, 2 controllers. I have opened it already. It came shrink wrapped. I bought the 64 gig edition, and I'm just gonna slip this off and show you guys. All right, so this is the box. Like I said, I just repacked it, but I did already use it, as I said I would earlier. And this is how it comes. The 2 remotes for when you're inside the game. And I put covers on them because, you know, as I'm working out I sweat, so this is just to protect the cover. But it doesn't come with these covers. I just got them off Amazon for like 20 bucks for both the handles and the inside of the item, inside of the headset. I really like this headset because, as you can see, to put it on, you can lift it up, and then once you have your face properly positioned, you can slide it down and secure it. You can also move the straps to make sure that it fits your head appropriately. You can also move it back and forward as needed. And so yeah, this is the system. The headphones are actually in here, in the strap here. So when you are playing, you can clearly hear everything, okay? And this is the front of it. I love this. I've used it for 2 hours, 2.5 hours so far. It has been great. And then it also comes with a box that has a spacer for your eyeglasses. Also has the instruction manuals, a quick start, and also the charging cable, which is a USB-C cable. So yeah, that's it. In the next clip, I am going to show you guys me playing it in real life and the side-by-side video of me actually playing Beat Saber, which is the game that I'm hoping will keep me active. So there you go. Check out the next clip. Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed that unboxing. It was rather quick, but you know, you get the point. It's a virtual reality system that basically will help me move more in the game I'll be playing most often is Beat Saber, as I showed you in that previous clip of me actually playing it and what I am seeing within the screen, which you can actually record within the Oculus. So I'm pretty excited about the system. Every week I'll probably try to upload the side-by-side videos as I've shown to show you guys what it looks like with me working out. Alright, thanks guys, have a great day, bye.